the biggest membership sa House in terms of members sa Committee on Appropriations. And pagdating sa Committee on Appropriations, gagawa sila ng committee hearings. So, i-hearing yon yung different agencies, walang tulugan yan. Maraming days and nights spent for that hearings. Then, after ma-defend ng different agencies yung kanilang budget, i-approve na yon ng Appropriations Committee. Then, yung Appropriations Committee, yun present na naman. Sila na naman ang mag-defend doon sa plenary. Yun yung tinatawag na second reading. Pag-approve na sa second reading, after na magawa na yung tinatawag natin na final